Aspirin is a drug composed of acetic and salicylic acids that has anti-inflammatory, analgesic and antithermal properties. We all know aspirin as a painkiller that we use when we suffer headaches, but what many are unaware is that aspirins are used for many cosmetic treatments, and also with great results for the skin. In fact, on the market are many cosmetics that sell with this ingredient. Here we present a natural homemade facial peeling so that they can help to lighten the spots on the skin, decrease the scars and acne. Aspirin is generally used to decrease headaches, but it can also be used for aesthetic treatments that leave surprising results on the skin. The ingredient that contains aspirin is called beta-hydroxy acid. Is a liposoluble ingredient that possesses many exfoliants and products to clarify the spots, also help to renew the skin or even the tone and eliminate dead cells. In addition to all these benefits, is a natural anti-inflammatory. Before doing the easy peeling, should consider a few things. This type of peeling is best done at night, because it is a very strong treatment. If the person who is going to do it has very sensitive skin, it is advisable to apply a small amount to see how the skin reacts and prevent an allergic reaction. It is recommended that the day after the peeling is applied sunscreen, because the skin will be much more sensitive. Ingredients: 1. 5 aspirins. 2. 2 tablespoons of honey. 3. 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt. Preparation: 1. Wash your face with plenty of cold water, then use a small cloth and soak it with hot water and then place it in the microwave for 30 seconds. 2. After 30 seconds, remove the towel from the microwave and place it on the face for about 10 minutes so that the pores open well and the mask is assimilated as best as possible. 3. Once we have a dry face, this mask should be applied and left to act for half an hour. After half an hour has passed, you should rinse with natural water, and to finish you can put some moisture.